Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best and easiest oven baked sliders, y'all. And I am so excited for you guys to see this. These are super popular on YouTube, super easy, full of flavor. Look at that, y'all. And it's gonna be under my burgers and sandwich playlist. Make sure you guys check out my recipes. Let's go. So I'm starting with some Hawaiian rolls I got from Aldi, super affordable. Colby Jack today, some yellow onion, Lowry's onion powder, roasted garlic, pepper, and some bacon. And my meat blend is gonna be ground chuck and ground turkey. And so I do that because I want a more moist texture. So I'm just going to season this up, and while I do that, you can use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button, you guys. I can wait for you guys. I'm patient. Go ahead. Click that button. You're missing out if you haven't. And thank you so much to all of my subscribers, family. Y'all, I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm just going to press this out, and if you use all ground beef, I would just recommend adding in a little bit of milk and breadcrumbs because it'll be a little bit more tender. So that's why I use the blend, and I'm punching holes just to kind of keep the shape. And then into the oven, I'm gonna slice up these onions and add a little bit of olive oil. So again, everything is done in the oven, and this is gonna kind of give you that saute effect. And then of course, oven baked bacon, it gets no better than that. Look at that, y'all. And so I'm gonna pull out our patty, and look at that. We're just gonna slice up our roll and then just take the top off like so. And then I am just going to spray my pan, and that's gonna give you a little bit of toast on the bottom, totally optional. And then I am going to add my layers of cheese. And so you can use any type of cheese that you want. And then let me tell you guys, when you do your patty like this, and it fits the roll perfectly in the bacon, isn't that just convenient, right? And so I'm just gonna add those. Look at those onions. I'm drooling, y'all. Can't y'all tell? And I'm just gonna add my top layer of cheese, put the top on, and then I have some melted butter with just some dry parsley, roasted garlic seasoning, totally optional, but another pop of flavor, and it'll give you a good little golden toast on top of your buns. So into the oven about 5 to 7 minutes until your cheese has melted. And y'all, look at that. I mean, super simple. You didn't have to waste a bunch of dishes, and everything was done in the oven. I'm talking about convenient, kind of a set it and forget it situation, okay? But y'all, these sandwiches, I mean, that pull apart action, perfect for if you have a family. But hold on, y'all, let me let you get that bite. But oh, come through, cheese pull. All right, y'all, go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. So good, y'all. So I hope you guys tried this recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.